Good morning, paint pouring people. This is Gilly Q from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Doing another little experiment with just some leftover paints. I've got some milk paints left over, and I have some of the Montmartre Studio acrylics that was mixed with water. I'm just going to do a bit of a jug pour and see how the completely different kind of mixture than I would normally use is going to react. So I think I'm just going to put them all into this little jug, and I'm going to just see what kind of reaction we get. So this particular one is the Folk Art milk paint, and it's mixed with Floetrol 50/50. This one is the Viridian Studio Acrylics by Montmartre, mixed with just water. All of these paints and the suppliers are in the drop down box underneath, so you can see where I get them from and where you maybe can get them from. That's the I think it was the Carmine. This is the brilliant bright yellow, but it's just mixed with water. There's no silicone in any of these cups. This is the Montmartre silver, just with water. This one is, I should have it written on there, I think this one is the Montmartre oh, that's a bit globby. I think that might be mixed with Floetrol. Not 100% sure, because I'm just pouring all of my leftovers, all the different pouring medium into this one jug. That is the milk paint, Folk Art milk paint. I think I might need to get a bigger canvas. That is the... So there's kind of three mixtures in there. The Montmartre Studio Acrylics that are mixed with just water. The this one's another milk paint, Folk Art milk paint, and it's mixed with Floetrol at 50/50. This one is the water one. I think I definitely might need a bigger canvas. Might just quickly get one out. It could be an absolute disaster, or it could be a master. You just never know. And that's what I love about this kind of art, that you can just try new things and not be scared. Just do it. Just do it. So I'm going to get rid of all of this. I'll pour some down that side. That's not a very nice green, but it's kind of like a... I'll get the Montmartre, that was the Folk Art. I'll get the thing out, the bottle out, so I can tell you what colour it was, but might not need to know if it's an absolute dog's dinner, which means, I'm told, a dog's dinner. The saying is because it's just one big mess, which quite likely be, but I definitely think I should change the size of my canvas. I'll just try and pull out quickly a bigger canvas. Where are we? Let's just... So I thought I was ready, but no. What am I doing? I don't want that big. Can't find the canvas right. I might try and just doing it on these two. Started on it, and so I'm going to finish. I've got no gloves on, so it just goes to show you I was just I might kind of do, tell you what I'll do, I might kind of do a travelling pour where I travel around the canvas. I'm going to put this lollipop stick or popsicle stick in the centre, so it actually splits the two sides as it comes out. Let's just see what happens. I'll just travel around the canvas. Big circles maybe. Travelling pour. Galactical. It looks like something galactical by. So strange if this comes out a real beauty. Oh, getting some lovely effects in there in my cup. I'm getting worms and sausages and all sorts coming out in this. This is absolutely gorgeous at the end. I'll be going back through very slowly, writing it all down again. Oh, look at that at the bottom of my cup. Ooh, some gorgeous effects in the bottom. Just pour it over the corners. My goodness. I'll try and move this. Maybe I'll move the two apart so I get some. This milk paint does smell a bit whiffy. Definitely smells like off milk, because I guess it's obviously made of milk, being the name milk paint. But should not give up on it. Just don't know. Leave that one. Just gonna tilt it. There's a lot of paint on there, way too much. That's a shame. I could have done a bigger canvas. My fault. Me bad. Could have done a way bigger canvas than that. Got no gloves on because I was just gonna use up that last bit of paint. It's supposed to all be non-toxic, so. But it is best to use gloves and face mask, I suppose. You never know. Okay. Alright, well, gonna get my heat gun and see if I can make some other magic happen in there. That might be the go. Okay, I've got to plug it in. Let's see. Might have to just leave this and see what happens. I mean, it kind of looks weird in a good way, and then in another way I think no, but to leave it for a little while, things might start to move and it might go cloudy looking. I don't know. Maybe try tilting one more a little bit off. See if anything interesting happens. Getting rid of some more paint off it. Such a shame. I'll collect all that paint up and give it to my granddaughter to do some skins with. I don't do anything with the skins myself, but she may. Yeah, there's something not right reacting in that. Like, it's kind of looking flocky, like snowstormish. As you can see, it's kind of splitting. Well, that will be the milk paint in it, I would guess. But it's weird. It's kind of weird. But I thought I'd run my camera in case it turned out to be something spiffy. The bottom of my cup looks pretty cool. Like, it's got some really nice lacing in there. I mean, I'm not sure what it would look like with a swipe or something, not sure, but I won't. It's not very good with the balloon either, so there you go. I think the balloon would just make it mix into a big muddy mess, so I won't even try salvaging it with a balloon. But it has got kind of a nice effect, but not one that floats my boat. So what do you guys think? Yay or a nay? No, it is a nay, but I'm going to let you watch it because I'm going to let you see my failures along with successes. As I said, don't charge for these videos, they're completely free. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel, and thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't done so, please do so. So bye for now.